Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Now, in the last video, we saw some words which were often confused. We are going to take that forward and learn some more. Let's get started. The first set of words is desert and desert. They sound same, right? But they are different. What is different? The number of S's and the meaning. Now let's go to the first desert. It means two things. The first meaning is wasteland. The Saharan desert, it is a wasteland and it has all the sand and no water. That is one desert. Now with the same spelling, it has another meaning. It means to abandon, to leave. Okay, so let's create a sentence. Reena deserted her family. She left her family. Now let's go to the second desert. It has two S's, right? Now what does it mean? It means a sweet dish. Yes, it means a sweet dish. Let's create a sentence. The family wanted to have cake for dessert. Now cake is a sweet dish, right? And therefore they wanted to have it, the one dish, the course of meal that we have after dinner or lunch. It is called dessert. Let's go to the second set of words. Fair and fair. First, fair means exhibition of products. Exhibition of products. So let's create a sentence to get a better understanding. This sentence goes, every year we go to a city fair. Fair with F-A-I-R. Now let's go to the second fair. The second fare means fee paid to the public transportation. Let's create a sentence. The fare for bus is cheaper than the auto rickshaw. You got it. This was easy, right? Let's go to the next set of words. Herd and herd. First herd means a group of animals. First herd means a group of animals. Now let's create a sentence. Ram saw a herd of elephants. Let's go to the second herd. Herd, another herd is a past tense of hear. Let's create a sentence. The voices were heard repeatedly. The voices were heard repeatedly. Let's go to the fourth set of words. This one is tricky. It's really confusing. It's and its. Only the difference is apostrophe. Now, the first its means possessive form of it. Possessive form of it. Example of possession noun like his or hers. Alright. Now, let's create a sentence. The dog licked its foot. The dog licked its foot. Let's go to the second its, which has one apostrophe in it. Now it means the short of it is. Its is a short of it is. Now let's create a sentence. I think it's time to wash the dog. I think it's time to wash the dog. Alright. So now let's go to the last set of words. These words are lose and lose. Okay, let's see the meaning. First, lose with double O is not tight. Let's create a sentence. A loose fitted pajama is the one I like. The loose fitted pajama is the one I like. So, the one that is not very tight and is very comfortable. Alright, now let's go to the second loose with a single O. It means to misplace or which cannot be found. Now let's create a sentence. Don't lose your keys again. So the first one was not tight and the second one was to misplace. Alright, so these were the words I brought to you and I hope you will pay attention to the spellings and their meaning while using them. So, stay tuned and take care.